What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2017 Chevy Equinox, and I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal, the brake light bulb, as well as your side marker bulb in here. So to start with, we're going to open the tailgate here, and you're going to begin by removing these two plugs. They're just little plastic pieces there that cover the tip of the screws. And with those popped out, you're going to need a T15 Torx to remove the two screws. So we'll go ahead and pull both of those out now. Now with the screws removed, the taillight assembly will still stay on the vehicle. There's no risk of, falling off or anything like that. You're actually going to have to kind of forcibly pop it out or remove it, and I'll show you about that here in just a second. Now really the best way to do this is with a plastic non-marring tool that you put in here and kind of pry it away. This whole piece is going to have to slide back. I don't have any non-marring plastic tools, so I'm just going to use this little bottle opener. Just kind of pry it like that. It goes straight back. And it helps if you can kind of pull on it as well while you're prying it. It's hard for me to do one-handed, but you can see how it comes out like so. And what you're actually popping out is this piece right here. That gets pushed into here. And this is also a guide that locates it. So when you reinstall it, you'll have to keep that in mind. You'll have to get that lined up when you push it back in. That lines up first, and then it just goes straight back. Now, as far as the bulbs go, you can disconnect the connectors here. Let's see. Easier said than done. Now, you can get to them just by rotating this piece counterclockwise. It will come out. That's going to be your side marker bulb there, that little tiny thing. You just click it back in. This larger one that rotates counterclockwise for you to get to the this is a combination brake light, turn signal, tail light bulb. I do like to disconnect these sometimes just to look inside the connector for corrosion. As you can see, this is no corrosion, so you're good to go on that. But yeah, those are the two bulbs, how to get to them. As far as getting this back in, like I said, you've got to make sure that you get this piece lined up, and then you just push it back. Let's see. There we go. And you just push in the two screws again. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any advice about changing the turn signal or parking light bulbs on your Chevy Equinox.